How to beat Skeleton Prime tutorial.
What
Search
the
mo sa
fuck is
YouTube.
Skeleton Prime?
2024. Patch 1.4.4.
Who the fuck is Skeleton Prime? How to beat Skeletron Prime 2024 explained in Tamil 2024 English
English
subtitles
subtitle.
100% working.
Patch
Latest
1.4.4
full version 1
2024.
Terraria 1.4.4.9. Ang baba. Ang haba.
Home scene. Need ko ng dalawa pang turtle shells.
How to beat Skeletron Prime. English
Are we all set?
subtitles. Why is it talking? It wants to chop
Ano
your
ko dyan?
wood off. It wants to circumcise you.
Bago di ka pa pala tuloy.
Oh, look, oh, I'm
I think
hungry.
this is it.
I'm hungry.
5K. Teka, pwede. Ay, ako rin pala kaya.
Oh, look at my glorified fireworks.
Ay, yo. Ay, nagising ako pag yo.
nag-teleport.
Ay, nag-teleport. Ba't tayo, okay? Tayo na nga. Ay, ba't tayo matulog?
What are we going to do? Wait, what?
I will
Yes,
see.
dapat nandito ko sa babang kamay. Baka mahulog yung mga...
Ano?
Junjun, baka mahulog yung mga kama.
Ay, oo nga, si Junjun nga pala ako, my god. Oo nga pala si Junjun.
What?
Hindi mo nasisira na buong bahay natin. Lulusot lang ako dito, eh, no?
Listen,
Hindi,
you're
okay naman, hindi
you're
naman
gonna go
connected.
deep into the hell world.
Uy, pre, mga slimes natin.
Where the fuck did he come from? Wait, what the
Sa,
fuck?
sa langit, pre.
Tama na nga.
Okay. Okay, yeah. The time is 6:58 p.m.
Okay, ready na ba lahat? Siyempre, ready
No.
na kayo, no? Choice. Okay.
Yes.
Ay, lalam.
Kian record.
You record. Hindi mo sinabi sa akin na nag-start.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Use Windows Game Bar, use Windows Game Bar. Uy, putang ina mo na ito.
Uy, Dale, wag ka agad.
Flashback.
You haven't even made the fucking dent, oh.
Dale, mabuhay ka.
Dale, we need you, Dale.
Dale, ba't ka nasa ilalim?
Huwag mo ilabas.
End of flashback.
Pumunta ka sa nurse.
Bleh!
Pumunta ka sa nurse. Go na. Go ka sa nurse. Go ka sa nurse.
Waradu! Waradu!
Okay na?
Fast.
Uy, ba't wala akong ano? Wala ko yung magic dito. Ay, ito pala.
Uy.
Ito mo sa akin.
Yo, I'll change my armor.
Wait, kaya mo yung agro. Baka pumunta ako sa nurse.
Eh, nasa akin.
I'll change my armor.
Pumunta ako sa nurse.
Eh, pupunta ka.
Come on. This is stressing.
Pre, I'm waiting.
It's on me.
Oh, okay, let's go banana ram.
It's on me.
Gamit mo
Okay.
yan.
Okay, wait.
A secret
Don't let it
weapon.
catch me. Fuck you guys.
Hindi kaya. Ayaw i-agro.
Mother. Fuck.
Okay, stall nyo. I won't
Chat.
do it.
Yeah. Winnable.
Hindi, wala nang kamay.
Wala na siyang kamay?
No. More.
Isa na lang.
PWD pala.
Ay, PWD, may box na ako.
Ay, PWD na.
PWD na.
Spahin nyo.
Yo. Okay. I should not have no. Let's go. Come on, bro. What you got?
Maghili ka dahil pumunta ka na sa nurse.
Wait.
Legit, punta ka na, punta ka na.
Naka-agro sa amin, naka-agro sa amin. Wait lang, naka-agro kay Gil. Idal mo sa
I have
amin.
finish.
Kaya magpakot, huwag kayo
I'm targeting the hand. I'm
nasa
targeting the hand. I'm targeting.
Uy, wala nang kamay, wala nang kamay, wala nang.
Meron pa.
It's almost dead.
Wala na pala, wala na pala.
Yeah.
Okay. This is also easy.
Oh. Stop! Stop! Stop!
This is also easy.
Oh my god, I think it's killing me.
Gusto pumunta.
Sa akin.
Brother, this game hates me. For the love of God.
Nice one!
Nice one.
Yeah.
Hi sa'yo, this is
Level
also
na,
easy.
The jungle grows restless.
Ayaw nga pala. Ay, hindi, mag-grow pa yung Crimson ng mabilis.
Let's go! Let's go!
Ano, happy siya, oh, happy siya, oh.
Yeah.
I can now quit Terraria. I am announcing my retirement for this game. And
Souls
Yes.
of, ano to? Souls of Pride?
Yeah. Yes.
Also
I got like 3 of them now. Yeah.
So.
I think I can craft something.
Wala ba tayong Souls of Night?
So
madami
I have a lot.
gusto mo? Gusto mo? Ispoon ulit natin yung story. Madali lang naman.